Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in WWE 2K26 on PC. First, open Steam, right-click WWE 2K26 and go to Properties. Now open the Controller tab. Here, try Disable Steam Input, launch the game, and check if the controller works. If it doesn't work, go back and try Enable Steam Input instead. Restart the game each time you change this setting. Next, right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager, and expand Human Interface Devices. If you see entries related to keyboards or devices like Razer or Keychron, right-click and temporarily disable them, then launch the game again. You can enable them again after playing. Also make sure to disconnect unnecessary USB devices such as extra controllers, USB adapters, arcade sticks, racing wheels, or other gaming hardware. If you have multiple monitors connected, try disconnecting the extra monitor as well. Next, try using a wired connection. Connect your controller to the PC using a USB cable, then launch the game and check. You can also manually select your controller. Type USB game controllers in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on Advanced, then select the controller you want to use, such as Xbox controller or PlayStation controller. Click OK and relaunch the game. If you are using a PlayStation controller, you can install DS4 Windows and configure your controller through it. Another step is to update your controller firmware. If you have an Xbox controller, open Microsoft Store, install the Xbox Accessories app, connect your controller using a cable, and check for updates. For PlayStation controllers, download the PlayStation Accessories app for Windows from the official PlayStation website. Install it, connect your controller, and update it if an update is available. Finally, you can try launching Steam in Big Picture mode. Open Steam and click the Big Picture mode icon at the top right. Then launch the game from there and check if the controller works. One of these methods should help you fix the controller issue. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.